I'm Shihab from Bangladesh. I'm now studying electronics engineering in the University of Sunshine Coast, Moreton Bay campus. The reason I chose Australia for the multicultural community, vibrant weather, and also the friendly vibe. The UniSC Moreton Bay campus is quite near. From the city, it's like 30 to 40 minutes, and from the Petrie station, it's like 1 minute walk. So the quality of education of the University of the Sunshine Coast is top-notch. So all the labs are equipped with new equipments. The professors are quite friendly. There are lots of events in the university campus, doing many activities, and I just meet with new students there. I have lots of friends made here, like from India, Nepal, Bhutan, and also the Aussie. I already recommended to my friends and the juniors in my country. Get the 50-cent travel in the public transport. You got the city and suburb vibe together. You get a new campus. You have the multicultural community. I think there's a lot here to offer the students.